wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep.
So in today's video, as you see in the title, today will be a simple, everyday, natural look. Yeah, I mean, just keep watching this video. You guys are going to like it, trust me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so you can be the first one to know when I post. Because before I used to always just do like brown in the crease, pop on some lashes and go. But I started adding this light color and I was like, we gotta hit because this is cute and I like it. So excuse me, I just woke up, so my voice is a little bit raspy. I'm gonna put on some liner and I will be right back. So I just did a simple line. I don't do wing lines because they don't look right when I do them. I had to do it off camera because this liner will be everywhere, and I use the e.l.f. liner. And now I'm gonna put on some lashes. So I just popped on some lashes. I will have the lash name down below because at the moment I don't know them. So I get all my lashes from Walgreens because Walgreens has some bomb lashes, FYI. So now I'm going into my foundation routine. Now before, when the camera cut off, I primed my face with this primer water. And I also used this Nivea moisturizer. I have some darkness around my mouth, and don't nobody like that, so we're gonna cover that up. Start putting on this foundation. And as I said, I have to repeat all this stuff because of the camera. I'm doing a video, a get to know me video, and I posted on Instagram a story. I told you guys to ask me some questions, and I'm gonna answer them. I mean, I posted it yesterday. I'm gonna post it. Okay, today is the 16th. Yeah, so just to get y'all familiar with what day this, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be going up on the 16th as well. I don't know, depends on if I want to sit there and edit it. Now I'm gonna go back in with the fawn and put that here. So I let it sit on there for a little minute. Now after that's blended out, I go in with my Maybelline concealer in the color medium. Looks like this, and this is really good too. It's my favorite. I had this before, and like a year ago, and I had the shade Caramel. I never forget. Yeah, it was Caramel, and it was too dark and I didn't like it, so I had to go up a shade. I think I went up 2 shades. That can stay a little bit longer because I like for my under eye to be popping. And another thing with makeup is your perspective, how you like to look. It's not, oh, why is this so that and why is that so this. It's not your makeup, it's theirs. They express themselves through their makeup. So I mean, okay, so that's all blended out, and now I'm about to set this highlights with the same powder that I used to set my lids that was cut out. But I'm gonna go back in and make sure there's no creases. And looks like smoke. set everywhere you put your highlight. And I also like to go for my brows because as you can see they're shiny and I don't like that look. So okay, I'm gonna let that powder sit on my face because I just want my makeup to last. I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place palette again, the Zulu one, and take the brown shade out of there and contour with it. It's like a reddish oranges. It's what? Orange look, and I like that on my skin. My lips look so dry. Excuse me. I'm really not a fan of like the extra dark contour, but lately I've been feeling it. Now I'm gonna go into this regular palette. I'll put the name below. I think I got this from Five Below. And it has like this dark contour shade in there that I like. It adds a little bit more dimension to my face because I have a fat round face, and yeah. Now I'm going to contour this nose. I'm gonna take this little brush right here to contour my nose. And I'm gonna contour my nose with the brown in the Zulu palette. I start from my brow and I just bring that down from my brow just like that, because when you think about it, when you're contouring, it's like you're making bones, so you can't just, you know, come out of nowhere and try to contour. You have to create bones and bring that from your eyebrow. Like, it's a bone right here. My brow bone is right there, like right where my arch is. It's right there. So you have to bring out those bones. You can't just, oh, I'm gonna contour it. No, you have to define the bones. Now this nose of mine,
Big.
yeah, snatching your nose up. Now I'm gonna go in and blend this all together with this big fluffy brush. It's so fluffy and big. I love this brush. And this brush I take with me when I go anywhere. Like, this is always in my purse because if I get oily, this brings everything back together. Like, no cap. Now what I'm gonna do is something that I recently started doing. The shade that I put into my, a little bit under my eye because it's very light and my eye tends to get dark once I finish all the other stuff. So I just go under there and add some of that, and as you can see, it brightens my eye back up. And I put a little down my nose. Like, I'm just adding like dimensions and things like that. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with a regular brush and add some blush. It's the dark pink shade in the Zulu palette. Not too much because I'm not a fan of blush. Go in and spray this. Hold up. I'm gonna go spray this with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. And now my favorite part, I'm gonna go into the Juvias Place highlighter in the shade Nubia. When I tell you this is my prized possession, my aunt bought me this for my birthday, and when I tell y'all, this is like the best thing ever. I don't know if y'all can see it, but and it's a whole bunch in here, like a whole bunch. And a little bit goes a long way. Like, I'm not even joking. Just watch this. And I'm gonna take this highlighter that's going everywhere on my face. So, like, for instance, my mouth looks like okay. This is going on my bridge of my nose, the point of my nose, my brow bone, so in the inner corner of my eyes. It's just like amazing. It's like so amazing. Oh my god, I love it. As I said, everything's gonna be down below. And take this lighter shade and go right on top of that, because I love the inner corner highlight. That's like my favorite. Then I'm gonna go in and blend all this out so it doesn't look so harsh. So now time for the lips. I always keep my stuff in my purse. Now I'm about to add some mascara to the bottom lash. Okay, and yeah, that's literally all I do when it comes to full face, natural, everyday look. This is literally it. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I will have everything listed in the description in the description box. I will have everything listed in the description box. Okay, but yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more videos for you guys, and love you guys lots. Bye.